Welcome! My name is V. Today we are going to reveal why is Indonesian easy. Let's do comparison today, baby. Indonesian versus English. So, without any further ado, let's get started, shall we? The first one is parts of speech. In Indo, we call it kelas kata. Now, kelas kata is not really important to make a sentence. Unlike English that really needs to classify parts of speech so that you can use the auxiliary in the correct place, Indonesian even doesn't have the auxiliary verbs. So we don't need to think whether this word is verb or adjective in order to make a sentence. For instance, you need to know that the word beautiful is an adjective so that you can use the am, is, are in the sentence to describe someone or something. In Indonesian, you don't have to. Like, I am beautiful. Aku cantik. You are beautiful. Kamu cantik. She is beautiful. Dia cantik. Ishi. The next one is preposition. In English, you have to memorize every single details just to know how to use the correct prepositions. Let's start with in, on, at for places. We like simple things for everything. In Indonesian, you just use the preposition di for everything. Unless sometimes you have to add it with another word to make it clear. Di atas, di bawah, di depan, di belakang, di samping, di sisi, di dalam, di luar, di dekat. Is it really easy, V? Yes, it is. And if you want to use in, on, at for time, you use pada. Pada bulan Januari, pada hari Selasa, pada pukul 11. Easy, right? And then neutral pronoun. Yep, we use dia for he or she. Indonesian is a perfect language for non-binary because it doesn't have gender for pronoun. Sometimes it's confusing though. It's full of ambiguity over here. Especially the use of nya. Oh boy. We will talk about this later, alright? After that, we don't have tenses formula. We only have sentence formula SPOK. Subject, predikat, object, keterangan. Other than that, we don't care when is something being done. Unlike English that has main verb, past tense verb, verb participle, whatever, we don't have it at all. The word eat still means makan whenever you eat. We don't have eat, ate, eaten. No. Easy, right? Speaking of verb conjugation, we have affixation. Here, affixation pattern is somewhat reasonable and quite easy to learn. Well, we will learn about affixation in another video, okay? In Indonesian grammar, we don't have adjective order. You can use all of the adjectives and you don't have to memorize which ones come first. Maybe we only need conjunctions and commas to make that happen. For example, gadis yang tinggi, cantik, dan berkebangsaan Indonesia itu sedang berjalan. The beautiful, tall Indonesian girl is walking. You see, the noun come first, followed by the adjectives you want to use. Or you can say, gadis Indonesia yang cantik, putih, tinggi, dan ramah itu tersenyum kepadaku. You can put the adjective randomly in the sentence. Either way, it's grammatically correct. You don't have to worry about the order by now. And the last one, what makes Indonesian is so much easier than English is we don't have question tag. Well, I know in informal English you don't have to put the question tag. Just asking right is enough. But we also don't have the question tag even in the formal Indonesian like English does. Dia cantik bukan? In English, you have to reverse the auxiliary you are using in the beginning of the sentence, right? But guess what? It doesn't work that way in Indonesian. Since we don't even have the auxiliary verbs, we don't have something to reverse. We use bukan in formal sentence. And in the informal sentence, you shorten it to only kan. Like you say, right, she's smart, right? Dia pintar kan? Mudah bukan? Mudah. Easy. Oh, it starts raining. I think it's enough for today. With always full of love regards, Fee stops chattering. Oh baby, this is the part when I say I don't want you. I'm stronger